Firstly, good evening, everyone. It's such a pleasure to be part of this wonderful and talented lineup. And happy Makar Sankranti to everybody. It's always nice. This is my season 3 for Royal Stag Boombox, and last 2 times I got to collaborate with amazing hip hop artists EPR and Panther, and I'm so happy that that melody meets hip hop is actually happening at Boombox, Royal Stag Boombox. So this is a wonderful opportunity for any artist to create a new sound, the kind of songs that only we would wish to create, but they sometimes do not get to be part of film soundtracks. So it's very, very exciting to be part of Royal Stag Boombox, and I'm very happy, looking forward to performing and connecting with the youth. This is what it is about, this property.
Absolutely, and Royal Stag Boombox is all about the high energy. And Nikita, you've always been known for your electrifying performances. What can fans expect from your set this time around?
I like that. Good evening, everybody. No. I think Arman, Amit, and Neeti have already done the greeting, the formal stuff. And actually, I was going to say same pinch, same answer, but different question. So, it's actually, I'm actually very excited to be again. This is my 3rd season. I've been part of all 3 seasons, and it's so exciting for me to explore myself as an artist through Royal Stag, because Royal Stag Boombox is always like, okay, you're going to be performing again. So then I'm also thinking, how do I make my show more interesting? Of course, I'm performing in new cities this year round. But more than the performance, it's exciting for me to write music with other artists. I love that because people experience me as a playback singer more. And it's so exciting for me to write music, especially because I myself I listen to a lot more hip hop than I do Bollywood. So, for me, it's as a writer, I relate so much to the genres that we are collaborating in. So I'm really excited about that.
That's so exciting. We've got new artists as well coming aboard every year. Raftaar, this is your first time being a part of Royal Stag Boombox. Yes. How does the youth react to contemporary genres such as hip hop?
They go nuts about it, bro. I think this year, that's why you already had the Royals from Royal Stag. He was on the Stag. Me and he come in the Boombox this year. Straight up. That's the vibe.
Yeah, that's really the vibe. So, Ika, your music is known for its raw energy, honesty, authenticity. What inspires your creativity, and how do you see hip hop now growing and evolving in India?
सबको नमस्ते पहले भाई मैं अपने आसपास ही म्यूज़िक देखता हूँ और वहीं से इंस्पिरेशन लेता हूँ। म्यूज़िक आपके आसपास ही होता है, और जो आपकी बातें हैं, मैं बस बातों में से बातें निकालता हूँ, उन्हें गाने बनाता हूँ, तो लोग रिलेट करते हैं कि यार ये तो मेरी बात कर रहा है यार, ये तो मैं हूँ, ये तो मैं कहना चाहता हूँ। तो बस यही है मेरी इंस्पिरेशन, और यही है तरीका मेरा म्यूज़िक बनाने का और रिलेट करने का, कनेक्ट करने का लोगों के साथ।
Absolutely. And Yogi, since you be the one kicking off the on-ground Royal Stag Boombox experiences in each city, can you tell us a little bit about what you've got up your sleeve for music lovers across the country?
See, first of all, hello everyone, and it is always great to perform with such beautiful artists. And the best part about Royal Stag Boombox tour is like you connect with the youth, you see new people, new generation. So the homework behind is okay, what kind of music to listen to, because there's like a lot of different genres come to music, like Bollywood, hip hop is there, but now if you see more of Afrobeat is there, more of house is there, more of techno is there. So then mixing these kind of songs, Bollywood and hip hop, into that beat is a tough job, but it's always great to perform there. And I did the first tour with Royal Stag, but second tour I was not able to do because of a medical reason. But this time I'm really excited. And of course, इतने बड़े-बड़े artists सारे बैठे हुए तो इससे बढ़िया क्या बात हो सकती है?
How interesting.
सबसे पहले तो ये जब आप सवाल पूछ रहे हो ना, तो मैं ऐसा मेरी दिल की धड़कन बढ़ रही थी, अभी मेरा टाइम आएगा, क्योंकि पहली बार ये प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस मिली, और थैंक्स टू रॉयल स्टैग बूमबॉक्स कि हम गेमर्स को भी इतने बड़े बड़े लोगों के साथ बैठने का मौका मिला है। और आते ही मैंने रफ्तार बाजी को देखा, बहुत कंफर्टेबल फील करा है उन्होंने 2-3 सेकंड में ही, मुझे तो अच्छा लगा। तो सीन ऐसा है कि हम तो गेमिंग करते हैं यूट्यूब पे, बहुत घंटों गेमिंग करते हैं, लेकिन वो सारी ऑडियंस तक पहुंच नहीं पाता है। लेकिन रॉयल स्टैग बूमबॉक्स की वजह से इस मतलब मेन स्ट्रीम प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर आने की वजह से हमको एक मौका मिलता है कि हम और ज़्यादा आगे बढ़ सके, एक एक्सपोजर मिले. तो थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you. Now, Joker Kaveli, you're known for your witty commentary and interesting gameplay, storytelling, your unique brand of entertainment. How do you see this blending in with a completely new genre of lifestyle content?
First of all, thank you so much, Royal Stag Boombox, for giving this opportunity to sharing the same stage with all of you. And as Shriman Bhau said, like दिल की धड़कनें तेज हो रही थी. ये भी मेरा first time है press conference, like सबके सामने. And good evening everyone. I hope you are good and happy Makar Sankranti. And see, gaming is like लोगों का ना mindset अभी ऐसा है कि gaming एक बस हॉबी है. लोग बस खेलते हैं मजे के लिए. But अभी ऐसा नहीं रहा. Like you can make a career out of it. Like we are doing it. Like you can secure your like family future and बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो आप लोग. Also like partnering with Royal Stag Boombox, it's not just giving opportunity to the gamers to showcase their skills and all, but changing the mindset of the people कि भाई नहीं यार gaming बस एक hobby नहीं है, आप इससे career बना सकते हो. Also collaborating with this give like new opportunity for gamers, for organizers, for team.
Okay, now I'm going to do a quick rapid fire round. I think some.
And I hope that comes out. Maybe it will come out soon. But yeah, it's really amazing to see such amazing musicians come together on one stage. It does not matter which genre we belong from. It's the fact that we are all here together and we are fusing our own magic together and making it all possible for Royal Stag Boombox. Very excited.
Thank you, Arman. What a great lineup. Now, Amit, you were part of the inaugural season of Royal Stag Boombox when you created Magical Mohabbat, right? Now that you're returning for season 3, what can the audience expect this time around?
Yeah, actually, I would like to say the similar thing what Arman said. First of all, that thank you Royal Stag Boombox for actually thinking about me and having me here, and again getting me on board for something so magical and amazing. My collaboration last was with this amazing rapper. Slow Cheetah. He had texted me today morning and I forgot his name. I'm so sorry. Shit. Slow Cheetah. It just blanked out. I'm sorry. Slow, wherever you are, I love you. I just blanked out. So it was an amazing experience working with him. I had known him as an actor first, and a lot of films he's acted. I did not know that he's such a good rapper too. And
ऐसा करके दिखाओ कि समाज में इज्जत मिले.
हाँ, Joker Kaveli.
For me, it's like chasing dream without limits.
सुबह उठे हो, सांसें चल रही हैं, तो खुश रहो and live at large.
Thank you. Again, another rapid fire. Message to Generation Large, Arman.
Be authentic. I think that is what that's our strength. You know, just be yourself. Like Amit sir said, that's what he's always done, and that's what I've always done as well. So yeah, that's my only message.
Your message, Nikita?
I have an unauthentic answer, which is same pitch.
And Neeti?
I think being limitless. Just don't put yourself in any boundaries. Just limitless.
Okay, one last rapid fire. How do you envision melody X hip hop fusion evolving in the future? Raftar.
मतलब I know like Arman and Ikka dropping a song is in the future, near future, so that's what I envision. Please drop it soon, guys.
Ikka.
बॉलीवुड और हिप हॉप का जब भी फ्यूजन होता है तो बहुत सुंदर चीज़ निकल के आती है, और फ्यूजन किसी भी चीज़ का हो तो सुंदर ही दिखता है. और इतने मेरे को मौका मिला अरमान भाई के साथ, I'm a fan, और जल्दी गाना आने वाला है हमारा. और
I'm a massive fan of his. And जब हम जो दो आर्टिस्ट जो हैं जो एक दूसरे की म्यूजिक को बहुत प्यार करते हैं और आर्टिस्ट को प्यार करते हैं ना, तब वो जो एक कोलैब आता है ना, वो that's something that no one can really slot in one kind of genre. It's going to create something magic life.
And the last word to Yogi.
What's the question? Sorry.
It's about basically how do you envision melody and hip hop evolving?
He's being authentic at least.